Hello dear students, welcome to VI, the new session. Today we are going to discuss about a very general topic, that is basic electric circuit. So as per the name, here we are discussing how to draw a simple electric circuit. Okay, suppose you imagine you have provided an electric bulb, cell with positive and negative terminal and a controlling switch or electric switch. Some connecting wires are also there. Okay. Now you know how to connect all these things together. It's very simple. We just connect all these things with the connecting wires. Right? This is a simple electric diagram. So whenever we are switch on here, definitely the electricity will pass through this particular circuit, and as a result the bulb starts glow. And whenever you are switch off the circuit, then what will happen? The electricity will not pass through this particular circuit, and as a result the bulb will not glow. Right? Okay. Now this simple electric circuit can be drawn in another way by using circuit symbols. What do you mean by circuit symbols? Here in this diagram we used bulb, cell, electric switch and connecting wires, and these things are what we call electrical components. And in electricity, instead of drawing the pictures of electrical components, we are using certain symbols. That symbols are what we call circuit symbols. Circuit symbols. Let us discuss one by one. Circuit symbols. First one, electric bulb. The electric bulb can be represented these symbols. Both are correct. Okay. The second one, electric cell. This is what we call electric cell with the positive and negative terminal. It is very important. The bigger leg will be the positive terminal and the smaller one will be the negative terminal. Okay. The next one, battery. Battery means combination of cells. Means more than one cells together. So this is what we call a battery. Positive and negative terminals. Okay, this one cell, and the second one battery. Next one, electric switch. This is what we call open switch, and this is what we call closed switch, or you can use these symbols also. This is what we call open switch or open key, and closed key or closed switch. Then connecting wires can be represented simply by a straight line. This is what we call connecting wire. Okay. So these are some basic symbols that we are using in electricity. Many other symbols are there, right? Like resistance, voltmeter, rheostat, galvanometer. Many other symbols are there. But for this particular diagram, we only need all the symbols. Okay. Now we can redraw this particular diagram by using this circuit symbols. Okay. This circuit symbols are very important, because in higher classes we are drawing. We have to draw the diagram by using the circuit symbols. So it is very important. Okay. Okay. This one. The first one, electric bulb. Electric bulb. Then connecting wire. Cell with positive and negative potential. And electric switch. So this is the way how you want to draw the circuit, simple electric diagram by using the circuit symbols. Okay. So here whenever you are switch on means the key should be in closed condition. Now this particular diagram is what we call closed circuit. And if the circuit is closed, then electricity will pass through this entire circuit. As a result, the bulb starts glow. Right? Yes. Now you are switch off the circuit like this. And if the circuit is in switched off position, then this particular circuit is what we call open circuit. And if the circuit is open, then there will not be the passage of electricity. Then we can say that the bulb will not glow. Okay, so open circuit and closed circuit by using circuit symbols. Clear? I hope that this simple idea is very clear for you. Thank you for watching video.